welcome. Today we're going to focus on building core stability. Let's get started with a gentle warm up, just a few exercises to warm up our body, start to wake up the joints. And then we're going to get into some really simple, maybe not easy, core strengthening exercises. We'll do some cardio movements as well, just so that we can't boost our mood and elevate our energy. And because it's particularly cold today, to stay warm. Okay, now let's just twist. Just move in any way that's dynamic and allows you to wake up, start to build that inner energy, heat up the body. Twist a little deeper. Now, open and close. Bring your legs out. Arms come out as wide as possible. We'll come back to this movement, do with a little bit more pace to see if we can't really elevate our heart rate, get that mood and energy elevated. Okay, one more there. Let's start. Hands come up. We're just gonna knee lift. Sit up nice and tall. You're gonna engage the core for each and every core exercise. Feel it in your entire torso, around your trunk, all the way from the front to the sides and to the back. Breathe in and out. You connect your breath so you can stay present with each movement. If you catch yourself slouching, remember to sit up tall. Ooh, just a couple more here. Yeah, right. Now, let's reach out to our foot. You do not have to tap your toe. If you can't, no problem. If you can, lovely. No matter where you're at, remember, it's perfect. You showed up today. That's the main thing. You're moving your body. You are complete just the way you are. You are enough. And your desire to improve, to get a little stronger is perfect also. Ooh. Remember to sit up nice and tall. Couple more here. You may be feeling that in the lower back. So let's just twist it out a bit. Ooh, that feels nice in the lower back. Turn your head to the side as well. Really sink deeply into the twist. You got it. Okay, remember what we started in our warm-up. Open and close. Real big. Tap those feet out as wide as you can. Get your arms back, shoulder blades come together, but with pace. We do want to add an element of cardio to today's session. Core work is great, but it's the cardio where the smiles come, the mood gets boosted, the energy is elevated. One more here. See, it works. Okay. Dead bugs is an amazing exercise, usually done lying down. So, bring your arm up, opposite leg comes up. Sit up as tall as you can. Head up high. Just do your very best here. If you can do these on the floor lying down, really, truly amazing core stability exercise. But from a seated position, just as lovely. One more to each side. Great. Come into a seated jack with me. We gotta stay warm. Let's go. Get those arms up overhead. Tap your toes out as far as possible. And just enjoy the ride. You got it. Pick up the pace. Come on. Yes. Yes. One more here. Great. Come into prayer. Bring your hands overhead. And we're just going to move like a pendulum. Gonna notice in the side body. So we're building great strength, stability in our obliques, in the side, and just move back and forth. And notice how you have to catch your balance a little bit. Stay strong. Just reach over as far as you can before you fall, and come on back. Make sure your feet are planted nice and firmly on the ground. Help you with stability. One more to each side. Can you go just a little further? Yes, you can. And great. Let's go. Clapjack. Get your hands under your legs. The jumping jack and all its modifications. Seated, standing. A snow angel in the snow is kind of a jumping jack. It's the same type of movement. It's so good. It's dynamic. Ooh. Oh, you so many different body parts. And if we pick that mindset, that this is the greatest movement ever, it is far more likely to be. Ooh, okay, last one. There we go. Now, ooh, okay, feet come off the ground, arms come up. You're gonna hold here. Try to keep those legs off the ground, arms up. Look straight ahead, connect to your breath. Don't let the sounds of the environment distract you. That's the good stuff. I can stay present no matter what's going on outside of me. Just hold it here. Really feel it. Now point your toes out. If you have to take a break, take a break. Come back when you can though. Breathe into it. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Yeah. Elbow to knee now. This is a great core strengthening movement, but with a bit of pace. Ooh, we add that cardio element. So nothing we can't do in just a short session. Oh, I know that getting outside makes all the difference in the world to me as well. Is it easy to get up and go outside first thing every morning and move? Initially, it's just not. It's always a bit of a struggle. It's so funny. I know it's going to make me feel a million times better, but yet it's still hard. Wow. We do it anyway. We keep showing up. And it's so worth it. Ooh, let's go. Pace. Come on. You got it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Last one right there. Ooh, let's twist again. You feeling that in lower back? I am a little bit. Lower back's always a little tighter, a little stiffer in the morning. Gentle, light movements can do such wonders to loosen up the back, gain that mobility. Oh. Oh. Before we go, let's go back to that hold. This is a tricky one. Just connect to your breath here. Use this as a mindful moment. When things are difficult, can I connect to my breath? Watch the toxic thoughts. Oh, yes, I am strong. I am enough. Hold it there for just a moment. Real brief this time. Hold it. Just notice. Just watch. Yeah. Oh, how does that feel? Are you stronger? Do you feel better? I know that I do, but let's spend one moment. Sit up nice and tall. Oh, really straight back. Sit with integrity. Oh, and just notice, just feel everything we've just done. Watch that monkey mind. Bring it back to this moment. It works every time. Just keep moving, keep showing up for yourself. You truly do matter, and I am so grateful for you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.